what was commonly found in every kitchen back in Victorian days, and it was readily available and easy, was flour and salt. So yeah, guess what? They used to make dough out of flour and salt and water and a little bit of olive oil just to make it all mushy, and they would create these wonderful ornaments. Now, I would teach you how to do this, but I do have a video where I've done this before, and it was the Doctor Who Christmas special from last year, so I'll link that somewhere around here. But because I am in a museum, I can't use salt and flour because, well, it's a museum, and that would just be wrong. And I'd probably get in trouble and never be allowed in this beautiful place again. So I'm not gonna even risk that. But I'm gonna show you what they used to do. This is an example of how they used to create these salt dough donuts. Is it salt dough donuts? No, it's not salt dough donuts, it's salt dough ornaments. Let's get it right. Salt dough ornaments. So all I would do is, you would get a cookie cutter. First you would make the dough. So here's how you make the dough. 1 cup flour, half a cup of salt, half a cup of water, and a teaspoon of olive oil just to make it all mushy and soft. Now, what I do, just between you and me, is I add some cinnamon, some pumpkin spice, some ginger, just for that smell, and a little bit of vanilla essence. And it is, oh my gosh, you're like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. And it's horrible. It's torture what I do to my poor children at home, because every time I make this, they think I'm actually making something they can eat, and then they see these horrible, awful things. But it makes your tree smell really good, and with the oranges, it just, it smells wonderful. So let me just show you how to decorate. So, like I made a teacup, but look how pretty. Look at this teacup. It's like, but look how pretty. It looks like ceramic, and then you can just put it on your tree. So let's decorate. What do you want me to decorate? The gingerbread man. Let's do a gingerbread man. Let's do this. You just get some paints, and yes, they had acrylic paints back then. I checked. Now they didn't have these acrylic paints, because if they did, well, everything would just be that much better. But I am lucky because why? I'm a Plaid ambassador. That's right, Plaid Crafts, makers of apple barrel paints that you can have at home and you can pick up at any store. That's what you need this Christmas. And this is like the perfect combination of colors right there. So I'm gonna decorate my gingerbread man so it looks like he's like covered in icing. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this white paint. I'm just gonna put his dot his little eyes, make a little face, that. And then, just do like zigzags like that. So it looks like just do little zigzags on the sleeves. With these paintbrushes. It's like so pointy, it's not picking up paint. But it's good for little dots, like little buttons. And then you can just like outline it and just make it look like it's an actual gingerbread that somebody can just pull off your tree and break their teeth with. But that's the fun of making these, is that you can like make them with your kids, and then when they grow up, you can look back and say, oh look, you made this when you were 5 years old and you can still talk to me. That's terrible. My son still talks to me. I'm blessed. So there you go. There's your cute little gingerbread. And I have a wreath. Here's a wreath, and I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon. And I love this ribbon. It's not a ribbon, it's actually like a rope or something like that. I'm just going to tie it on, just like the Victorians would do. Check out my lacy shirt. My lacy shirt was actually from Brooklyn. That's right. Another thing Victorians love to do is repurpose things. They would pass clothing down, jewelry down from one generation to another. Let's find a little space for this one. Wow, our little tree is getting full. Surprisingly full. There we go. And there you have it. And they're nice because they do last pretty long. And they're fun. And you can paint them and you can put names on it and you can stamp them, whatever you want to do. Try out having made some of this salt dough. I always want to say salt dough donuts. It's not salt dough donuts, it's salt dough ornaments. Try making some of these salt dough ornaments with your family this Christmas and make it a vintagey, nostalgic Christmas tree this year.